Listen up. Quality control on these streets. Yeah. Westside got standards that you gotta meet. And you ain't making the cut. Street quality control. That's why I'm taking your soul. You stepped into my patrol. Now watch your empire fall. Look what you brought to my block, straight disgrace. Got my enforcers in place, set the pace. Your reputation in flames, what a waste. Time to demonstrate how we regulate. Every corner you claim, gon' feel the pain. When I pull up with the squad, call the rain. Should've known better than to play this game. Now your whole operation going down in flames. Weak moves got you marked, that's the truth. Everything you touch turns to proof that you ain't built for what we do. Time to clean these streets of you. Street quality control. That's why I'm taking your soul. You stepped into my patrol. Now watch your empire fall. Let me break it down for the last time. Everything you push is a flat line. Got my soldiers posted on the baseline. Cleaning up the mess you left behind. Ain't no room for amateurs out here. This ain't child's play, this ain't make-believe. You disturbed the peace, now face the heat. Watch how fast your whole squad retreat. Standards high, that's how we survive. Cross the line, you won't stay alive. No way, should've listened when they gave advice. Now it's clean up time, pay the price. Street quality control. That's why I'm taking your soul. You stepped into my patrol. Now watch your empire fall. Quality control, that's how we roll. Clean these streets, that's the goal. Game over.